The 14th problem. So integration of secant x into secant x plus tan x into dx. So next one is integration of cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x into dx. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, 2018 ಜುಲೈ and 2015 ಜುಲೈ. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 2016 ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್. Okay. So first ನೋಡಿ, what is the integration of this one? We don't know. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸಮ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ದಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿನೋಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಐ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ sect x or secant x. Some student is written as sect x or some student as written as secant x. Okay, so actually ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ secant x ಅಂತ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Is a secant x plus tan x into dx. So secant x into sum of two function is there, secant x plus tan x. So secant x into secant x is secant square x plus secant x into tan x is secant x into tan x. Okay, so integration of secant square x, secant x into secant x is secant square x plus what, secant square x, sorry, secant x into tan x, right? So into dx. So integration of, this is f of x, please assume this is f of x, this is g of x. According to property of integrations, it can be written as integration of f of x plus g of x, can be written as integration of f of x into dx plus integration of g of x into dx. Okay, so I will write is the integration of, so secant square x into dx plus integration of secant x, so secant x into tan x into dx. What is the integration of secant square x? So once again think ಮಾಡಿ, differentiation of tan x is what, secant square x. Agar integration of secant square x is what, tan x. Reversible process already, reversible process. So secant x primitive is tan x. Andre secant square x is one of the derivative of some function. What is some function? So tan x, because the tan x derivative is what, secant square x. That's why, so integration of secant square x is tan x. Okay, so secant x into tan x is one of the derivative of some function. What is some function? Secant x, because differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ integration of secant x into tan x is what, secant x plus integration constant. Okay, this is the 15th problem. So the given integration is denoted as I. Integration of, this is a cosecant x into, this is a cosecant x plus cot x into what, dx into dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, cosecant x into cosecant x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cosecant x into cot x ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. So next, integration of cosecant x into cosecant x is what, cosecant square x. Am I right? Next, cosecant x into cot x is cosecant x into cot x. So into what, so dx. Into what, the dx, old dx, right? According to property of integration, this is f of x, this is g of x. Okay, so integration of f of x, integration of f of x into g dx, integration of g of x into dx. Now we know the formula of integration of cosecant square x, because integration, the differentiation of cot x is what, so differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so integration of cosecant square x is what, minus cot x. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? yes, minus cot x ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ರಿ? so minus cot x ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, so minus into minus cosecant square x, ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus into minus plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ cosecant square x ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cosecant square x integration is minus cot x. Am I right? Yes. So again ನೋಡಿ cosecant x into cot x integration is what? Minus cosecant x. Correct? Minus cosecant x. Cosecant x plus integration constant, because minus cosecant x differentiation is what? Minus constant into cosecant x differentiation. So minus cosecant x into cot x. Okay? Minus cosecant x derivative ಏನು? So minus 1 is constant. So derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. Minus into minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ cosecant x into cot x. Our integration of cosecant x into cot x is what? Minus cosecant x. So totally the integration constant is c. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?